Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, we're going to show you how to replace a toilet flapper. Okay, changing out the flapper can be for a bunch of different reasons, but primarily if you notice that water is running from the tank into the bowl and it doesn't seem to seal, if you put your finger over the top of that flapper and push down on it and the water stops flowing, then that's a pretty good indicator that you need to replace the flapper. Okay, with the water shut off, changing the flapper out is a pretty easy project. You're gonna take the chain off of the handle first. There's a clip there that you're gonna just gently remove. And some of the water is gonna flush out of there. Now, the clips, the way that these are, is they're kind of clipped on the bottom. So you're gonna pop those clips off, and this is the flapper. Now, this one obviously is brand new, but here's the thing. There are many different kinds of flappers on the market, and even though they say universal, it's a really good idea to bring this into the hardware store so that you can match it up perfectly so you get the right one to reinstall. Now, before you install the new flapper, take a sponge or a towel, and this portion of the flush valve, I want you to just sort of clean that all up because there can be gunk or sediment that's in there, and you want to make sure that your new flush valve, the right one, is going to seat well and do the job that you want it to do. Now with the new one here, you're going to place that back inside and put it right over the top of the valve, and then you're going to push down on the little tabs that are just going to click back into place. I know it's hard to see, but they clip back in place. Then on the end of that chain, you want to make sure that you clip it back on. And here's the thing. You see the little slack that's in the chain? You want to make sure that you maintain that. You don't want it to be tight because you want the weight of the flapper to close firmly as it fills up with water. And with a little bit of slack, when you move this up and down, the arm should travel a good 2 inches or so. Then it's set. You should notice that no longer is any water leaking into the tank, and you've just replaced your flapper valve. And that's it. If you'd like more information, please go to acehardware.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel where you'll find more helpful videos. Or better yet, go to your local Ace Hardware store because Ace is the helpful place.